Hi friends, Teacher Dana here at Moose Group. I'm gonna match my moose. I'm gonna put my moose on because we are at Moose Group. But is Moose Group in the classroom today? No, we're not in the classroom. We are by a volcano. And we're gonna make our own volcanoes today in Moose Group. Let's check it out. So, I see we're making volcanoes. We're gonna make our volcanoes at Moose Group. But first, we need to get out our baking soda and our vinegar. I have my vinegar right here, and I have my baking soda, and I have my stars that we're gonna mix into our volcanoes, and I have some fun food coloring. I have blue and green, and I have red and yellow. And we're gonna mix those in with our baking soda when we make our volcanoes. Okay, I also have a dropper that we're gonna use to drip, drip, drip our vinegar onto our volcanoes later. So first, I am going to add my baking soda to my container. I am going to use a container like this. It's a muffin tin. Do you see that? I have a muffin tin that I'm going to use today. So that way I get to make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 super silly volcanoes. Okay, can you help me? I'm going to take my baking soda and I'm going to pour some in. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Got one more to do. Oh, that one has a lot. There we go. I'm gonna put a little more in these ones. Good job. Now I have baking soda in all 6 of my volcanoes. Okay, and I can add color to them. I'm gonna add some red to my volcanoes. I'm gonna do this one red. Do 2 drops in that one, and I'm gonna do this one red. Bloop, bloop. Good job. I have blue and I have green. I think I'm gonna add green to my volcano. I'm gonna do this volcano up here green. 1, 2. Good job. And I'm gonna do I'm gonna do this one right here. 1, 2. Good job. So we have a red volcano. We have 2 red volcanoes. We have 2 green volcanoes. I'm gonna make a yellow volcano. I'll do 1 yellow volcano. 1, 2, 3. And then we're gonna do 1 blue volcano. 1, 2. And you can make your volcanoes whatever colors you want. You can also mix your colors. I'm gonna mix one. Let's see, I'm gonna mix some red in with my blue volcano. Good job. Okay, now I'm gonna get out my vinegar. I'm getting out my vinegar. Oh, I'm gonna open it up. And I'm gonna take my dropper and put it in, squeeze it. Good job. And now I'm gonna, I am super silly and I forgot to put in my stars. So quick, I'm gonna add my stars. I'm gonna add a pinch into each one. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Good job. Okay, now I am going to take my vinegar and I'm going to look at my volcano. Whoa, do you see my green volcano in there? Do some more. Bubble, bubble, bubble. Look at my stars bubbling. Okay. I want to see my color a little bit more, so I'm gonna mix it. I'm gonna mix my volcano. Mix my volcano. Good job. And I'm gonna add some more vinegar. So I'm gonna grab of my vinegar and squeeze. Whoa, look at those bubbles. Good job. Now I'm going to take my stick and mix my color in for my other volcanoes. Mix it in. Mix, 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 mix. I want to be able to see it. Put in our vinegar. Mixing, mixing, mixing. Mix, mix, mix. Good job. Good job mixing your baking soda, friends. Okay, I'm going to take my dropper and I'm going to squeeze it and woo. Okay, can you do it with me? Squeeze. Look at all those bubbles that it made. Okay, I'm going to put it in this one. Woo. I see red bubbles. Let's make some more. I see more red bubbles. Okay, I'm going to do a big squeeze this time. Are you ready? Squeeze. Whoa, there's so many red bubbles in there. Let's make some blue and red bubbles now. You ready? I'm going to squeeze it. Squeeze. I see blue and I see red. Okay, we're going to squeeze it again. Squeeze. Whoa. Look at those bubbles. Good job, friends. Okay, now I'm going to make some yellow bubbles in my volcano. Are you ready? Squeeze. Whoa, look how yellow it is. Good job. Now we're going to do our red one. Squeeze. And our green one. Squeeze. We made all of our volcanoes bubble up. All of our volcanoes bubbled up. Good job, friends. I am going to take my dropper and put it away and put the lid on my vinegar. Zoop. And say bye to my volcanoes. Bye, volcanoes. Bye, friends.